Welcome to this screencast for Shiny and Google Cloud Run. First thing we need is a working Shiny app, which we have here. And then we also need a Dockerfile in the working directory, which we have here. Once we have these things, we're going to publish a repository. In this case, I'm using GitHub. And we need to inspect that the repository has been successfully uploaded, along with the Docker file and the app. This is what Cloud Run will use to actually build the app. Next, we need to go to Google Cloud Console. Within our project, we go to Google Cloud Run, and we're going to connect a repository. My account has already been connected to this repository. We're going to select build with Cloud Build. We select the repository that our code and Dockerfile live in, and we're going to select the option of build from a Dockerfile. Once we have this, it'll give us the option to determine things like the name of the project, whether we want to allow public access, and the minimum and maximum number of instances. I'm going to put 10 and 0 to keep the cost down, and then we could create. If our app builds correctly, then we will be rewarded with this public URL. And now we can see here that our Shiny app is working correctly as intended. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to map a custom domain. Here we go to domain mappings, add mapping. I'm going to select the project and the website and determine the subdomain penguins for the first website in this case. We get the DNS records, which we use to update our DNS provider. And after a while, like an hour, we will get our custom domain working correctly. Finally, what we're going to do is we're going to make a quick change in our project. I'm going to change the title, and then I'm going to commit this change. Google Cloud Run will then monitor for any changes to the main branch, which we're doing right here. And once it observes it, it'll trigger a redeploy. So we commit, we push, and Cloud Run has seen this and finished building successfully. And now we can finally inspect the final product. Thank you very much for your attention. That's it.